Hey YouTube, Untamed here. Something a little different today. I want to show you this 2021. It's a used Cadillac Escalade Sport Platinum. So starting right around $114,000, $115,000 if you're to buy one brand new today. These are behemoths. They're so big. So this particular one is an ESV model. It doesn't have the quote unquote upgraded black wheels. I think these are the one tier down. But other than that, everything else seems to be just top tier on it. Black and darkened headlight housing. The Sport Platinum grille is pretty awesome with the monochromatic Cadillac logo here. It's definitely a sleek rig and plenty big for a larger family. So you guys know we had the 2023 Toyota Sienna XSE 25th anniversary edition, which is great. It's been perfect for the kiddos. This here, the only real difference is you get a little bit more cargo space back there. I do have the keys, so we can do a little jaunt on the inside and check it out. So just a huge behemoth of a vehicle. It does have the 6.2 liter V8. And I don't think the numbers are that astronomical. I think it's like, what, 420 horsepower if my memory serves me right. I might be off by a little bit, let me know. These ginormous tail lights. Again, and this is huge emblem back here. So we have dual exhaust and it does have the kick out running boards as you open the doors here. Let's start with the back seat, the important part for families. So you do get the kick out like I mentioned. Escalade written out on your entry point there. You have the captain's chairs in the rear here. Let me give you more room. Captain's chairs right here. It does have the rear seat entertainment screens on both sides. I have a suede Alcantara ceiling or headliner here. And plenty, so they armor all the crud out of the truck to biff it. So yeah, plenty of space back here. Let me sit down. All right, and I'm a whopping 6'7", and I fit back here just fine. Okay, 5'9", and I fit back here with plenty of space above my head, at least 5-6 inches above my head back here. So pretty wild. That is not the case, of course, in the Sienna. Got the snow white legs, how about that? But plenty of space. Let me sit behind one of the sides here. Okay. So, I don't know, what do you got? Maybe 3 inches here, 4 inches. If you're TRD John, it's about 9 to 10 inches there. But yeah, definitely a sleek seat. Love the design of it. And a ginormous cargo space. So that is the major plus over any kind of van, right? Otherwise, I mean, I would still argue that a van is I would still argue it's more conducive for little ones. There's a good shot of front seats there. It's like a skating rink on these things. Okay. Here's your door with some wood trim integrated within it. Let's check out the front and we'll fire it up. Alrighty, got the key. And that 6.2 liter roars to life. This is ginormous screen. What's this here? I believe that's with the Super Cruise integration here. Kind of wild that we're at full digital displays now, and this is just ginormous, spanning all the way across the front. Pretty wild. Love these seats though. The Cadillac V right there. More wood trim across, leather, everything as you imagine. It's just a premium touch. Push to start. Nice white stitching here. Again, this is the Sport Platinum. Nice little organizer tray within it. tell you what, it's pretty cool. Got some metal bezels around the speakers and tweeters throughout here. I think it's the Bose. No, I might be wrong. AKG. Look at just that flake within even this, right? Kind of cool. Somebody with talons owned it before the dealership here, and metal trim throughout it. So it definitely is a premium spot to be seated, I'll tell you that. And there's your 1.5 acres that you have back there. So these are 275 50 22s, so 22-inch wheels. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Escalade. I think historically speaking, they don't have the best reputation for reliability. I think we all know that. It's just kind of a GM thing. These 6.2 liter V8s have a lifter issue that has become semi-notorious at this point, and you know, with engines failing early on in their lives, unfortunately. Check out this huge little, light bar right here. This is pretty incredible. Alrighty, well, we will wrap up the video there, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are of this 2021 Cadillac Escalade Sport Platinum. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.